Hello, our beautiful babies. Welcome back to another episode of Moss Pod. In the middle of the week, we're keeping this consistency streak going. I'm Nana Bhan.
I'm Sakshi Shivdasani, and we are here in the middle of the week not because
We love you.
we are here because this is part of our 3-part limited series called Close Friends Only with Instagram, which is literally just for the
Us girlies. Like, yeah, all of us. You know how Sakshi and I met, right?
I don't think we've ever said it in big detail, but I think we should get into it.
I have one policy. When I'm sliding into DMs, it's only for friendship. And so I find
Friendship, please.
yeah, exactly. I find all the very cool women that I admire on the internet, I make it a point to slide into their DMs. And one such woman was Sakshi Shivdasani herself. And I've said it and everyone's laughed, and it's not anything less than creepy, but I thought that we would make great friends. It was just my gut instinct. And then once I got a blue tick, I DM'd Sakshi being like, hi, do you want to start a podcast? And she's like, little did I know that she
Yeah.
was equally passionate.
No, so actually, I think there was one DM that you had messaged a while back, which got lost in the DMs. And then, because on Instagram, if someone has a verified account, you can like sort by verified. And I got Naina's DM on top. So I was like, hey, this girl just came in a very big show. Maybe this is my time to cloud chase.
So
And I responded, and who knew, now we're both struggling with the podcast.
I'm in a situationship with Sakshi Shivdasani. We do everything that looks like best friendship, except we're not calling ourselves
Yeah,
that.
we're like, oh yeah, we have a podcast together, but we're like,
I'm telling you how. Okay, let me get into the details. Okay, do we send each other memes before we say good morning?
yes.
Do we send each other memes after knowing the other person has slept and they
Yes.
will wake up and receive?
Dude, I get so annoyed when I send you a meme in the night and it says Nena's notifications are muted because she's sleeping or whatever. I get damn it. I'm
I
like,
know.
wake up,
Dude,
homie.
So now we have that whole language
Yeah.
going, right? So we have very specific things that we like to send each other. We stalk people on each other's behalf on the internet.
Dude, and we're so good at it.
And we have a collection together.
We do
Do you-
because
yeah.
we have a merch line possibly coming up, and we have ideas, and we're also planning a trip together. So
Yeah.
we're probably on the trip right now, or maybe we've come back from the trip,
Let's
depending
see,
on when
let's
this
see.
episode comes out. So let's see if we're still friends. No, but it is a big step to take a trip together.
That's
Are
true.
you excited?
I'm very excited.
I feel like our relationship will stand strong because we are not traveling together.
that's true. That's
You
true.
see the worst of a person when you're on the airport on a flight, like, and I'm so glad
We're not
we're
traveling
not
together.
there yet.
I want you to suffer separately in
Yeah.
economy and me to suffer separately in
Because
economy.
you don't need to see how bad I get when I'm like, when my knees don't have place to stretch and I'm like just like rocking back and forth in the seat trying to make space for myself. No one needs to see that. That's why I'll be traveling alone. But once I'm there, once I'm well rested, once I'm like in a vibe, we can shop together, we can paint the town red together. I have like at least 6 places saved that I want to visit in London on my Instagram saved thing, and I'm going to make you diligently go through every single one of them.
I'm just a girl sitting next to another girl wanting to make a good old friendship reel. That's all
Dude.
I want. I don't want anything else from 2024. I don't even want to make a relationship reel. I want to make a best friendship reel.
And there are so many in the market right now that we can be inspired by.
yeah. I haven't even had the chance to make that you know, where they keep clapping and the outfits
Oh,
keep changing.
ta-dang,
Yeah.
ta-dang.
I really want to make
It's the
it.
same tune. Neither of us. We have just different iterations of it. But yeah, I think if it wasn't for Instagram, we wouldn't have been friends because who's gonna step out of their house and meet when you can just send a reel? I feel like we've gotten to the point where like we have some like random subculture jokes and we send each other reels from a specific like.
So okay, let's just put names where they are.
Okay.
We are together obsessed with Hamza.
Hamza. Yeah.
If you know Hamza, he makes those Hamza-verse reels. The boyfriend you deserve, the dog you deserve, the dog
the
parent.
mailman you deserve,
Yeah.
the everything you deserve. And then he plays the antagonist also. But we're talking about the stuff that we deserve.
Yeah.
And we send each other now reels about anything. And we like put like the fashion influencer you deserve. Oh my God, Hamza, can you please make the fashion influencer you deserve? Please?
Yes, that would be
I
so
would be so
good.
happy. It would make my heart sing with joy.
I swear. And honestly, I feel like the best thing you can do to make friends is like DM somebody on Instagram. That has been my mode to operate. Like, it's not
You
just
know,
you, babe.
I know. I
Done it.
found out recently because we shot an episode with the Desi crime people, and I was like, "Oh, how did you guys meet Naina?" Because Naina was the one that set up the collab, and they were like, "Oh, she DM'd us." I thought I was fucking special, but she does this with. I'm just a common whore from down the street, and Naina is just suiting all of us at the same time. I honestly had to play it off, but like a single tear was forming in my eye. I had to turn around and quickly wipe it because I didn't want to make it a thing.
To be fair, you are on my close friend's story.
Are they not?
No.
Ha
I have only like 5 people. I honestly love to post more on close friends than I
I'm
like
not
to
on
post.
your close friend.
You are. You are, dude. I'll fucking show you a screenshot.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't even like having a private Instagram account for my own like fun. I just like close friend stories.
Dude, I am on your. I just remembered. I am on her close friends. You've not posted.
You must be
in
thinking
2
about
days.
the other person that you're friends with who's a content creator
Who's close to friends I'm not on.
yeah.
I'm on everyone's close friend story because people think they can trust me. Big mistake.
Huge.
No, but I feel like I use close friends as a you're cool, you're chill. I fuck with your vibe, you know. Like if I add you on my close friend story, I'm like nodding to you as a you're a fellow bitch with taste. You know, like I get the vibe. Like we're on the same page. We're not homies even, but on the internet we're close friends.
Let us know how you use close friends, because I used to be the kind of person who posted who put everybody that I kind of fucked with in general on close friends, and now I have like 5 people that I want them to know everything about my life, and those are the people that I post for on close friends.
You know what I like about, like, you know what, I don't use the stories as much. I post a lot of my close friends posts, like anything. I'm just like posting random close friends things. I don't even have a Finsta anymore. I'm just posting stuff on my close friends feed, and sometimes I get scared because I think I've posted something not on my close friends feed, but so far so good. So
That is the scariest thing, right? Okay, so
Tauba.
has this happened to you when you're bitching about somebody on the internet? Bitching, I say with air quotes. When you're bitching about somebody on the internet and you send their story or their whatever, and you send it to your friend, and you want them to respond to you sending the story, but they end up DMing the person that you were bitching about.
Yeah. Dude, okay, so there's this one like friend I use in quotes. But basically they were really excited about something and they were like shitting on everyone that wasn't going, okay?
Yeah.
And then last minute they had to cancel this and somehow they posted a story and they were like, oh, unfortunately it won't be possible. And I sent it to my friends with like capital ha 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 ha. But I wasn't sending it to my friend. I was responding to their story with a ha 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 ha. And then we're not friends anymore.
Those are faux pas, right? Like, for example, once in your life, you will feel this feeling so hard when your ex's current fling or whatever follows you by mistake. and then
Bro.
unfollows you.
Dude, Diet Sabya followed me by mistake for like half a second, but it came up on my my following tab, and I took a screenshot.
You best believe. We're printing it. It's going to be replacing this heart. It's going to be here every
Because you
day.
know they hate influencers with such a passion, and
What about it? Let them breathe. Let them go to Cannes. Relax.
calm down.
Calm down.
I don't think Diet Sabya posted about it. I think
Oh,
Diet
sorry.
Sabya Urf
Allegedly,
Azharwariya posted.
allegedly, a person who was part of Diet Sabya posted about it.
Alleged.
Yeah. But I honestly, like, my love language over time has changed. The more we move into digital universe,
Yeah.
the more my love language looks like I will find the most curated like memes to send
For
you.
sure.
I want to heart everything you do. And if you are a true friend, like Sakshi has become for me and I have become for Sakshi, we will comment on each other's paid collaboration posts.
Bro, you know, I recently found out a couple was dating. I suspected that they were dating. They're both influencers. And I had my suspicions for obvious reasons. But then she commented hearts on his sponsored post. And I was like, y'all fucking. Like, I know this. Now I know.
Ain't no one commenting on a paid collaboration unless they're your mom or your best friend.
Yeah.
It just doesn't happen.
It's so sad.
Yeah, I love sitting with Sakshi and literally like stalking couples on the internet. Like, are they together? Are they not together?
Yeah.
And then I end up like hearting something from 2010, and then I'm like, will they notice or will they not?
They
notice?
noticed.
Yeah,
They
noticed.
Dude, I have this thing where like for 3 of my friends, I have like inside jokes with everyone, and I feel so cool curating exactly which reel to send which person. But each reel I scroll through, I'm sending it to at least one person.
Yeah. And sometimes you don't even need to send it because just seeing that they liked the reel
Yeah.
is friendship enough. You know that you thought right, that they
Yeah,
would
yeah.
appreciate this content. Sometimes you wake up in the morning and you're like, this reel is perfect to send to Sakshi. But for some reason you don't
You
send
forget,
it.
and then I send it to you. Yeah.
And if that isn't girlhood,
I
if
don't
that
know
is-
what is. Yeah. Period syncing is so yesterday. Today, your algorithms are syncing.
Ain't that the fact? I love it. I also, okay, that's all friendship and the internet. What happens when you break up with a friend and the internet? Like, you have to really have done something horrible to me for me to be able to remove you from my following.
You know what? I have no problem with people unfollowing, but have the decency to remove me from following
That's
you.
true.
Don't make me fucking look at the least interacted with and figure out that you've unfollowed me. You need to have that's basic etiquette.
That's
First
basic
of all, if I'm unfollowing you, I've had to go through like all the stages of grief, such as seeing a reel and not sending it to you, for a extended period of time, and then I'm like, okay, this for sure is over. Maybe such a meme has not been created that I can't resist the urge to send it to you, and that's when a friendship is definitely over.
Yeah.
And then if I'm unfollowing you, someone who was raised well, I will remove you from my following as well. But I don't want to be following you like
Yeah, it's not fair. Why should I be following you and you
the
not following?
breakup was mutual.
Yeah, I feel like the friendship to no friendship pipeline is that you start by muting the stories. Then you start seeing their posts, and you're like, no fucking
Muting.
posts. Mute the posts. Then you start sending like stuff from their content to your other friends, and you might stalk them sometime when you're having a weak moment at night.
Yeah.
And then when that final dagger has been pushed through, it's just
They post something that really pisses you in a top that they had borrowed from you,
something like
perhaps.
that. Yeah.
And then you gotta unfollow and
Unfollow.
remove them from your follow.
And then do you block?
No, I don't block. My block list is literally, in spite of being a content creator for 4 years, I have 17 people on my block list, and 4 of them are the same ex.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
My block list is just like people who've like said something rude to me or an ex.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I blocked everyone that had said something rude to me,
Yeah.
कोई
You best
बचता
believe
ही
there'd be
नहीं.
at least 18 more people added to that list. So, like, I feel like what is Instagram friendship to us is Facebook friendship to our parents.
Is Omegle friendship to some person?
Yeah, because like there are different ways of interacting on different apps, right?
Yeah.
Like the etiquette with relationships and Instagram is so specific. Even though there isn't like a playbook, everybody who's been on the internet and has been on Instagram for a while knows, right?
Yeah. Dude, exactly. Like, I mean, there is some sort of like, if your friend posts and you are not fighting with them, you have to like it. Like, why haven't you liked it? I clock it. If someone posts a like happy birthday, you repost the story. I don't repost the story, but
One
repost
second. Happy birthday story reposting
is irritating.
is damn irritating. Don't do it.
You only do it to 3 people. Like, you do it to your top 3. You cannot repost 40 people's stories. I'm not watching all of them. I feel like if I'm your best friend, repost it. And I won't mind if you don't. I know I started with some other thought, but I thought I was giving a controversial opinion, so I was trying to be palatable. But yeah, don't fucking repost your happy birthday stories. I will unfollow you on your special day.
But what I do, I don't know if I feel like super excited or I'm creeped out by the level of emotion, but when your best friend on your birthday makes this huge post for you, and it's like the first day we met Aru, you and I were playing with a dog, and then over the years we kept calling each other Pooh, and I knew some fucking long emotional thing.
It's like, that's a WhatsApp text actually.
Yeah.
On Instagram, just be like, happy birthday to the baddest bitch. HBD to the BD.
Yeah, and leave it at that.
Yeah, don't make it like, I'm not about to read that long caption. Whether it's your partner, whether it's your father, whether it's your best friend, just not required. Because I know your mom doesn't have Instagram because she's not tagged. So why the long caption for Mother's Day, huh?
Yeah. Why? What are the
Why?
intentions?
Are you looking for another mother?
There is definitely Instagram etiquette, right? So with your friends, if I have even said a name to you of a guy that I like, or I'm feeling
First name.
that's it. I expect you to go home, create an entire file based on all the stuff you found on Instagram and bring it back to me. Is he into Liverpool? Did he?
I love that you have to drop just one name of some football club.
Yeah.
And it's different every time. Don't think I haven't clocked that.
I've dated the roster. Man U, Liverpool, Chelsea,
You actually
Arsenal.
are not supposed to say Man U
Oh,
because of something that a man mansplained to me once.
I want you to come back with the entire folder. I want to know if their parents ever did jail time. I want to know
I
what
wanna
they
know
like to eat on a
what-
Tuesday. And I want you to tell me.
I can do it. I can do it. Yeah.
And then when I'm DMing them, I want you to be the one writing those texts
Yeah.
for me.
Dude, I love writing other people's DMs to guys they like. Like, it's my favorite hobby. They never close because they never listen to my advice, but I'm sure I can flirt on their behalf. My friends just get too excited, when they're like texting a guy. But me, because I'm removed from the situation, I'm calm. I'm collected. But unfortunately, I haven't had the
The opportunity.
to showcase my skill.
And there's one skill and there's one thing you can do for your friend on Instagram if you're a good friend. When their partner is liking other random bikini photos, you
Tell
best
them.
be screenshotting that and creating a file and a directory.
For
and
when she's upset, and then you can be like, actually, I saw that and here are the receipts. Yeah, I think that is a service you couldn't afford if they asked for a payment. They're showing you your man for who he is. I also think if your friend's wearing a bomb outfit, get down and find the angle and take the perfect picture for her to post on Instagram. It is an essential.
Yes. And if she's like screaming, fighting me, like, no, forget it, you have to sit her down
Yeah.
and you have to take the photo because you know she'll want it.
And take a candid, na then. Like, what's
Yeah.
the point?
Are we still doing that thing where we post like group photos on the internet and make sure that we look better than the rest of the people?
No.
Because
Kim-
that is anti-friendship.
It's so out. Kim Kardashian said it. If after a night out you're not looking at all the photos taken and making sure everyone isn't looking their best, like if one person's looking good, it's out. If two people are looking good, it's out. Every single person in the frame needs to be looking good. Otherwise, it ain't. And if only you are looking bad, then you can post
Yeah.
it. But the others need to be looking good. I feel like I'm not about to look ugly in someone else's Instagram. Like, it's just not how it's gonna go. Cutty. I also think, like, if I've spent like a bunch of time from the week with a friend and they do a photo dump, why am I not tagged in at least one of the 10 photos?
That's true.
Sick.
That's
Sickening.
Like, there is nothing that screams friendship more than a candid dump,
Yeah.
a carousel. Like, it's not even the real. The supreme friendship exists in a carousel dump.
And you know, it could be like you're in someone's building and the parking reflective mirror and you'll have taken a mirror selfie. So specific. Yes, I want that. But it could be that where my face isn't visible, but I know I was there and I am tagged so the world knows I was there. That's important to me. I feel like that is the foundation.
Of a good friendship.
Just specifically in a parking lot with the reflective mirror. Goals.
My dream is that somebody makes that video, you know, that they made of what's her name from Euphoria, Alexa Demi. My goal and my dream is that somebody makes a video of me in a car putting on lip gloss
Yeah.
to Voi 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 like they did for Alexa
Yeah.
Demi and make me look hot. Like, I want my friends to be able to make me look hot in a candid.
I feel like I could make you look hot easy. I just don't have a card good enough to pull that off.
Well, maybe we're not great friends because
Yeah.
a good friend would figure out how to get me a great car, a great vacation, a great photo.
This podcast doesn't even have 20k followers.
Please get us to 20k so I can make all my dreams come true.
200k. If we're asking only to
हाँ.
little izzat se ask for more.
Chalo, theek hai.
Yeah.
So, theek hai. If you've listened to this podcast and you feel like you have a great friend in your life, depending on what we've just described, hug them and hold them close. And if you don't have one that's like meeting all of these
Don't
attributes,
hug them. High five.
go out there and find someone like that and dump the people who aren't like keeping your friendship as a tier 1 top
Photo
tier
dumps
experience.
for my real friends. Dumps from photos to my sham friends.
Thanks for listening and watching. See you on the internet the next time. Bye.